Hi, I'm Irene from Advent Health Kissimmee, and this is Advent Health TV.
Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Thanks for spending a little bit of it with us. Want to take you to one of our Central Florida warehouses. This one serves Advent Health's Global Missions Group. What you are seeing here are some of the supplies we are sending across the globe right now. Ventilators, masks, and PPE are all headed to India to help with the COVID-19 crisis there. Many of our physicians and team members have family members living in India, which makes this a personal as well as professional effort.
I think we're blessed to have really strong leadership here at Advent Health who not only support the aid, but are also looking into how we can create, even though a small impact, it's a valuable impact and it reaches people that need it.
We also want to bring you up to date on the ED expansion at Advent Health Orlando. We showed you the outside a few months back. Now we can show you what it looks like inside. The expansion includes 20 additional exam rooms as well as an expanded waiting room. There are also 2 new decontamination rooms which have direct access outside so that COVID-19 patients can avoid walking through the ER. The expansion also allows more patients to be placed in observation rooms and includes several rooms for specialized care.
This is just such a great investment in our community as we continue to grow and the community continues to grow. The Orlando ER is one of the busiest in the city, in the Central Florida region, and it was important for us to continue to grow with that demand.
It has been 5 years since a man opened fire in Orlando's Pulse nightclub, killing 49 and injuring many others. Sometimes, though, out of tragedy comes strength, and the reaction of Advent Health team members on that horrible night is an example of the true power of whole person care.
I want you to know I'm super proud of you.
Oh no, okay? I really appreciate that.
Lorinda Staley is the nursing director for Central Florida Division's ERs. Chaplain Julian Johnson is Director of Mission and Ministry at Advent Health Celebration. But on June 12, 2016, when a man killed 49 people and hurt many others at Orlando's Pulse nightclub, both worked at Advent Health Orlando and both were in the middle of our response to the tragedy.
One of the biggest examples of whole person care.
Lorinda saw firsthand the incredible work of our clinical teams in the ER that night.
That team was just so ready, and they came together, took such good care of everybody. I remember all of them.
Remembers all and is still close with one who survived the thing that happened here that terrible summer night. A survivor in our hospital invited to meet President Obama even as he fought to recover.
He wanted me to be the one to go with him. So I rode over in the ambulance with him, and we're friends to this day.
Nothing can prepare you for a moment like that.
For Chaplain Johnson and our spiritual team, the tragedy which happened here and our response to it was just as impactful.
The most intense experience that I've had in 20 years of ministry and service.
But he says the Advent Health mission truly shined through and brought light to a very dark moment.
That was a true depiction and an opportunity for us to share what whole person care is. We not only care for the body, but the heart, the mind, and the soul. If we ever say that we want to put our money where our mouth is as an organization, that was the time to do it.
And do it our teams did, providing care and comfort at a time when it was so desperately needed.
Being a chaplain, we're called not just to be on the front lines, but sometimes we're in the middle of the hurricane, providing people what they needed most. And that was love, care, and compassion.
Love was just coming from all directions.
And our community support and giving continues 5 years after the Pulse tragedy. Advent Health supporting the One Pulse Foundation with a $1 million donation. It will help build the National Pulse Memorial and Museum. These are renderings of what that will look like. The gift will also support the Legacy Scholarship Program as well as diversity education.
Advent Health has always wanted to be in the heart of our community. And so for us, being a part of a memorial that would be a place of healing, to be a place of hope, to tell the stories, not just of the victims, but also of the caregivers and how the community came together. I would say there wasn't a question of did we want to be a part of it. The question is, how would we be a part of it? Our mission is to love people. And when hate walks into your community, you just see the outpouring of love that comes back.
As we've discussed before, the things many of you see outside of your office windows as you continue working from home are often amazing. We have another example of that for you. This up-close and personal look at a red-shouldered hawk comes to us from Tim Burrell of Support Services and Construction. Tim's home office is in North Apopka. He says he and his wife put out a bird feeder recently, hoping to attract a bird or two. Well, in addition to the spectacular hawk, Tim says he sees cardinals, hummingbirds, warblers, and many others also dropping in for a bite. What a great shot. Hey, we want to see how you work from home as well. Remember, the more unusual, fun, and creative, the better. Shoot a little video or a picture and send that to us at AdventHealthTV@adventhealth.com. Until next time, stay healthy and feel whole.